All right, so here's my partially done bonnet. So you can see I've got the instructions for how to make this circular portion. These are just double crochets increasing by 10 double crochets for each row, and I've got 6 rows here. This is to fit a 0 to 3 month old. If you wanted it to be bigger, you could maybe do more rows and make it larger. Then when you go around, you're doing, once we actually start with all of the flowers, you're doing 3 double crochets, then whatever the flower stitch is, 2 double crochets, flower stitch, 2, and you're having 2 double crochets in between each. It's just the very beginning and the very end where we have 3. So here I've already got my 2 double crochets, and then the flower stitch is going to be 2 parts, so 2 different rows. So the first row gives me 4 of the petals. And do 1, 2, 3, and then this is going to be the exact same pattern that we did in the dress. You're going to go into the first and do kind of a double crochet decrease basically, but instead of pulling all the way through, you're going to yarn over and do 3 decreases right into, you're going to skip a stitch and go into the next one. Do the exact same thing. Again, this is the exact same thing that you did for the matching dress, if you made the matching dress as well. Then you skip 2 stitches, you go into the third. Again, we're going to make 3 of these kind of double crochet decreases. Then I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to pull through all 9 loops. Then I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 chain. And then we're going to do, in that big circle that we've got right there, we're going to do 2 of these decrease double crochets. Then you pull through when you've got 3 loops. And then I'm going to do, if I was in the middle of this, I would do 2 double crochets, but now that I'm at the very end, I'm just going to do 3 double crochets. Right. Now, I'm going to turn around. Notice that we're having this big opening back here. This is where the neck will be. To do the second portion of this, I'm going to do 1, 2, and I'm going to put in my 3 double crochets. Then for the top portion of the flower, I'm going to do chain 1, and then I'm going to, into the big circle, do 3 decrease double crochets all together, and then I'm going to pull through all 4. Then you're going to chain twice, and then in that same hole we're going to do again 3 double crochets. So each of these petals are basically 3 double crochets kind of decreased into each other. And pull through all 4. Then I chain 1, skip 1. Oh no, I don't skip 1. I go straight into this one, and I'm going to do my double crochets, and I'm going to do my 2 double crochets here. And then we're just going to repeat that pattern all the way around. Now in between my flowers, I like to have a double crochet. So once I'm finished with this row, I'm going to do an entire row of double crochet, and you can repeat this as long as you need until you have your finished bonnet. I'm probably going to have 3 flowers across with a double crochet in between each, and that should make it long enough for me. But go ahead and try this on your own. Make the matching dress as well to go with it. Just to show you, this is what the bonnet will look like at the end. I need to tie in my ends, as you can see. I also went ahead and made little tassels. Now to do this, you'll chain 25 and then go back and slip stitch and then single crochet all the way around the part of the neck. And then again, you're going to chain 25 and go slip stitch all the way back. I have these instructions also written out. I forgot to record myself doing that. You can see I've got 3 rows of flowers right here and a row of crochet of double crochet in between. It also gives off this very pretty pattern with these kind of bumps on the sides for some texture. All right, good luck. And don't forget to also make the matching dress that has these same lilies on the skirt as well.